Hi guys, good morning. My name is Rosana Nakipel. I'm working as OFW here in Singapore for almost 16 years. And guess what? All the domestic helper or OFW makarelate nito kasi ah puro lang po resibo ang naipon ko within 16 years. So I'm just wondering why ganun ang nangyari. So alam naman natin na tayong mga Filipino pumunta ng abroad dahil sa pangarap nating maabot yung lahat ng gusto natin sa buhay. But, oh my gosh, I can 100% guarantee you guys na sa 16 years ko, pangarap ko lang po ang gusto ko sanang tuparin pero hindi ako nangangarap na resibo lang ang iipunin ko. So, I'm so thankful kasi nga kahit pa man ganun ang nangyari, there is an opportunity na aking na kumbaga natagpuan. May taong ginamit ang Panginoon para ma-share sa akin yung opportunity na to, and is what? It changed my life 100%. Kasi nga, this opportunity will help you uh, magkaroon ka ng extra income na hindi naman nakakaabala sa trabaho mo being an OFW abroad. So, to my fellow OFW, relate ko kayo, ramdam ko ang hirap nyo, ramdam ko yung pagpipighati nyo kasi hindi nyo nakakasama yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, how many Christmas, how many birthdays, how many special occasion na wala tayo sa buhay nila dahil nga kumakayo tayo sa abroad para sa ikaayos ng pamilya natin. But I can share you this opportunity na inoffer sa akin ng Elitista PH at ng Young Hustler Empire na kung saan bibigyan kanila ng tulong, tuturuan kanila para magkaroon ng extra income sa Pilipinas while you're still working abroad. So this is a big opportunity sa lahat ng OFW na nangangarap na as soon as possible makasama yung pamilya kasi alam ko guys, in my experience, I have lots of experience na hindi natin inaasahan na mangyari sa buhay natin, most especially sa financial. So, ito siya, na, kumbaga, tumutulong ito sa atin. Itong Elitista PH at saka itong Young Hustler Empire ay nagbibigay siya ng opportunity sa lahat ng tao. Either you are OFW, you're a Filipino working only in the Philippines, kahit saan man lupalop ng mundo ka po, nagtatrabaho, kung gusto mo pong umangat sa buhay, bukas po ang opportunity na to, kagaya ng ginawa nila sa akin, they help me a lot para ma-stabilize yung akong financial. And, I'm just new in this business and this opportunity, but I can 100% guarantee you guys, this is true, it's not a scam, and all the people who is behind this opportunity, the they are willing to help you. They're going to impart their knowledge on how to do this business for your own good. So, para sa lahat ng OFW ka man o hindi, this is for you. This opportunity is for you para makatulong sa iyo at sa gayon, makauwi ka rin for good sa Pilipinas kagaya ko. So, I'm planning to go back home next June for good because I'm going to work on this opportunity that I got. I know na sa sipag, tiyaga, at determination kung abutin yung pangarap ko, I can do it by the help of all the people who is behind this opportunity. So I'm so thankful sa lahat ng tao na andyan, tumutulong sa akin. Sometimes, mayroon kayong mafe-feel mo na yung nada-down ka, but I'm so thankful kasi itong mga taong to, they won't let you down. They're going to help you build up your, what we call it, yung i-build up nila yung determination mo to go on no matter how hard life is. Because I know, even if you are not in this opportunity, even if you are not in abroad as an OFW, there is lots of trials and hardship that comes our life. So, why not try this opportunity to help you na mabot yung pangarap mo sa lalong madaling panahon? Just see how and they're going to answer your queries. So, thank you Elitista PH for the big help na mabago yung buhay ko 100%. And thank you also sa Young Hustler Empire for sharing your knowledge para matutunan namin paano gawin ang opportunity na to. And to my coach, Alan Ramos. Thank you so much, Coach, sa lahat ng pasensya mo sa akin, sa lahat ng itinuro mo. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil you're always there for me, sharing your knowledge, doing what is good for my business. So, I'm so thankful. At sa lahat din ng mga coaches and mentors, especially kay Mentor Laika, who is there always building up our confidence to go on para sa negosyong ito. At sa lahat din po ng mga OFW pala na kasama ko na andito na sa opportunity na to, guys. Sipag lang po ang gagawin natin. Dito na tayo. So, somewhere along the way, the success is waiting for us. So, wag kayong give up, guys. Patuloy natin itong gagawin. Dahil ito yung makatulong para magbago ang buhay natin at para na rin sa pamilya na. Not only for us, for the entire family. So, go on lang, guys. Stand firm to what you believe that will change your life and work for it. Kasi kahit saan ka naman, yun naman talaga ang determination natin. Ang magtrabaho, ang sipag, ang tiyaga. So, if you're doing that, working abroad, why not doing that in your business also at the same time? Kasi, kumbaga, dun ka rin magkakaroon ng gain pagdating ng araw. Not now, but in the future, you're going to harvest what you have planted. So, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Elitista PH, at ng Young Hustler Empire, kay Mentor Laika Nanea, thank you so much for your help sa lahat ng naitulong mo imparting your knowledge about this business. Malaki ang pasalamat ko sa iyo dahil nakikita ko yung heart mo to help other people na magkaroon din ng kaginhawaan sa buhay na makamit din yung kanilang mga pangarap. So, sa lahat-lahat po ng coaches and mentors, thank you so much. Have a nice day and congrats everyone. Hope to see you soon in Philippines. God bless and have a nice day. Bye!